Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install insurance quotes using Policygenius easy tutorial step by step clearly. To access Policygenius, open your web browser and navigate to policygenius.com. On the home page, you will see various insurance options. Select the type of insurance you are interested in. For example, click on home insurance or auto insurance. Once you choose an option, you will be directed to a new page. Click on the Get a Quote button to begin the process. You will be prompted to enter some basic information. Fill out the required fields, including your name, address, and date of birth. Make sure to provide accurate details for an accurate quote. After entering your information, click Next to proceed. The next step will ask about specifics related to the type of insurance you selected. For auto insurance, include details such as your vehicle's make, model, and year. For home insurance, include information about your property, such as the year built and square footage. Review the information you entered to ensure everything is correct. Once you're satisfied, click on Get Quotes to proceed. Policygenius will gather quotes from various insurance providers. This might take a few moments, so be patient while it processes. After a short wait, you'll see a list of available quotes. Each quote will show the insurance provider's name and coverage details. Carefully compare the options based on coverage and price. If you find a quote that fits your needs, click on it to explore further. You'll have the option to customize coverage options as needed. Once you've made your selections, continue to the final step. Review your selected policy details for accuracy. When ready, you can proceed to apply for the insurance. Follow the prompts to complete your application. Finally, submit your application to finalize the process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.